Hi there. So we started this garden April 9th. We laid out all the compost. It's still weed free. There was a time, I think it was about a month ago, that I came and I cleared out some grasses that were growing through. Mainly the mint was really heavy in the middle. Only 20 minutes of work for me to come out really casually and pull out the weeds that were there. We have laid drip line around the half-inch drip line around the entire perimeter, so that way we have a water source to every part of the garden. We decided that we're going to have like a middle area, so you just kind of are piecing this together as you go, deciding on what you want to plant. You have to think about where it's going to go. Is it going to be shaded by other plants or by the regular trees surrounding it? You want to make sure that the plants that need the most sun are in the sunniest places. Kind of pay attention to where your lighting is. It's very important for placement. So right now we are just going to figure out where we want to plant the plants, and then we're going to just plug the lines in and start planting. Okay, so we decided that we're going to put tomatoes here. So what we need to do is we have our tea that we're going to put into the drip line. We're going to put two of them. One's going to be for tomatoes and one's going to be for cucumbers on a trellis. And then we're actually going to put these valves in so that we can control the on-off. I like these because I get to decide what gets more water. And then we have these. You don't really need these. You can just tie the ends of them, but they're really convenient and it makes things really quick. So I'm just going to make sure it's right where I want it. We want to be able to walk that way around it, so we're just going to clip it right here. And then I'm going to grab the tea. And these are really nice because they're reusable. You just push them all the way closed. Then you put it over the barb. And then you actually just untwist this as much as you can. And it just tightens over it. And then if you need to take it off later on, you can. So there's the barb, and we're gonna just put it right over the barb, wiggle, 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 and then we're gonna untighten this, or it's gonna tighten over there as we unscrew it. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing with the half-inch going out this way. Okay, so we're done for the day. We kind of just made it as we went and decided what to do. So far, that's the update. So we'll keep sharing as everything grows and just show you once we get all the pretty flowers in and it's looking a lot bigger and better. See you next time.